What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering this website which proposes a very interesting idea, but unfortunately it doesn't work as effectively as I hope it would. But nevertheless, I'm just going to present it to you, and hopefully in the future it can be optimized to work better than it does. So with the fact that we can use AI today to basically create whatever we can imagine, there are a lot of projects that are really coming up and they are really proposing some very interesting ideas. And so today we're looking at FreeBeat.ai, which allows us to turn music and ideas into viral videos in just a single click. So the whole premise behind this project is that you can just add a link to your song from SoundCloud, from YouTube, from Spotify and all the other music distributors, and basically in just one click of a button is going to generate a whole music video for you. You can choose to customize it based on certain features, the styles and all whatnot, and you can even have a prompt where you can specify what you want to find in the video, and so on and so forth. You choose the ratio you want to go with, the style of video you want to go with, a horizontal, a squared or a vertical video, and you basically customize it to your liking. And once you click the make your video, it's going to generate an amazing music video that really matches the sound you are going to give into it. So I like the premise of this this tool because it allows us to do something very quickly and very easily, which is to create music videos. And so if you have ever tried to produce a music video, you can imagine just the cost that there with this. But with a tool like this, where you have access to all of its features just for a price of about, I don't know, $26, $39 or $199 for the most creative ones, you can be able to create some amazing music videos. Okay, so looking at some of the features here, you see access to fast advanced models, create videos in different formats, premium model with enhanced realism and superior details, video resolution, watermark removal, and so on and so forth. So you can see really all what it allows you to do. And so I think the only downside to this tool will be the fact that you have to be able to add your own face into the video, or add faces that you choose into the video. I think that can be the major downside. Moving on from there, it will just be about customizing the video to your liking and really producing some amazing results. So far we can see some tools which are able to generate at least very realistic videos already. You can see all the AI stuff that is going around the internet right now. And so I really like the premise of this tool because it allows music producers to be able to generate music videos in the blink of an eye, and that's very much needed. Even though I guess the AI saturation can become a problem in the long run, and it's already becoming a problem, right? But nevertheless, the premise of this tool is really amazing. I tried to use this tool, but unfortunately it didn't work very well for me. It was very slow and it generated a lot of errors. You can equally try it as well on your end, see if it produces some interesting results. But definitely the idea is very interesting. I just wish people will put in more effort into building their tools so that it is fully functional than just trying to get the pricing tab ready. Yeah, so this is an amazing tool, or it's an amazing idea, and hopefully it becomes much more effective than it is currently. So let's definitely keep an eye out for this tool, FreeBeat.ai, and hopefully in the future, in a nearby future, it will really work very well. So there you have it. Check it out at FreeBeat.ai and let me know what you think about it. Thanks.